Ever been stuck trying to send a file but had no internet? Maybe you're somewhere remote, or your Wi-Fi just died and you still need to transfer photos, videos, or documents fast. Well, don't worry, today I'll show you 5 free file transfer apps that work without the internet. Yep, no Wi-Fi, no data plan, no problem. First up, SHAREit. This one's been around for years and for good reason. It uses Wi-Fi direct to transfer files between devices at lightning speed, up to 200 times faster than Bluetooth. You can send everything from videos to entire folders and even between Android, iPhone, and Windows PC. Just install, pair devices, and hit send, no cables, no connection needed. Next, send anywhere. Most people use it online, but here's the secret, it also has an offline mode. You can connect 2 devices directly via Wi-Fi direct and share files instantly. The app also keeps your transfer history, so you can resend files easily without uploading again. Number 3. Zapya. It's a powerful cross-platform tool that doesn't just transfer files offline. It lets you create a group hotspot where multiple users can join and share files together. Think of it like a mini local network, perfect for classrooms, offices, or sharing memes with your friends without killing your data. Coming in fourth, Xender. If you want a clean, no BS interface, Xender is for you. It supports Android, iOS, and even PCs through browser mode. Simply connect devices using Hotspot and send files as large as you want, with 0 compression loss. And finally, Feem v4. This one's underrated but amazing. It creates a secure local Wi-Fi network and encrypts every file you send. That means you can safely share private documents, photos, or videos, even if you're completely offline. It's fast, private, and cross-platform, like AirDrop, but works everywhere. So there you have it, 5 free apps that make file transfer super easy even when you're totally offline. Which one will you try first? SHAREit, Xender, or maybe Feem? Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.